Have you ever swiped your credit card and had that little thrill? That feeling like you just got something for free? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you that behind all the shiny rewards and the promise of convenience, there's a whole system designed to keep you trapped? It's a game of hide and seek, and the banks are always hiding the rules. Today, we're busting down the door and exposing the secrets they hope you never, ever find out. Trust me, you're going to want to watch this. Let's be real. Credit cards are a great tool. I mean, they've saved me in a pinch more times than I can count. They're super convenient, they've got your back in an emergency, and they're one of the best ways to build a good credit score, the golden ticket to getting a mortgage or a car loan later on. It's no wonder we've all got them. In the US, almost 75% of households have one. And in India, millions of new users are hopping on board every year. So yeah, they're a huge part of our lives. But that's the shiny side of the coin. Now, let's flip it. I want to know, what was the biggest perk that first made you want a credit card? Was it the cashback, the travel points, or something else? Drop a comment below. Here's the raw truth, banks aren't your friends. They're businesses, and credit cards are their main moneymakers. First, interest. This is the big kahuna. If you don't pay your full balance every month, you get hit with an insane interest rate. And when I say insane, I mean it. In the US, the average APR is over 20%. In the UK, it's almost 30%. And get this, in India, some cards can hit a whopping 35 to 42%. Let me paint you a picture. You buy a new phone for $1,000 and think, I'll just make the minimum payment for a while. Well, at a 25% APR, that phone could end up costing you more than double what you paid for it, and it'll take you over 7 years to pay off. It's crazy, right? Second, fees. Have you ever been hit with a late fee? In the US and Canada, that's up to $41. In India, it can be 1,000 Indian rupees or more. It's just another way for them to make money off of us when we make a simple mistake. They're counting on it. Have you ever been hit with a fee you didn't expect? Tell me your story in the comments, and let's vent together. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the psychological tricks. The first trick is the minimum payment. That tiny number on your bill is designed to trick your brain into thinking, oh, this is no big deal, I can handle this. But in reality, it's a slow-moving trap. It keeps you in a debt loop forever. The second trick is the sweet 0% APR offer. It's the ultimate bait and switch. They make you feel like you've got a free pass to spend for a year or so. But if you have even a penny left on your balance when that promo ends, they can hit you with all that backdated interest. It's a hidden time bomb. Have you ever fallen for a 0% APR trap, or felt like credit card spending just isn't real money? Share your experience below, no judgment here. Beyond the psychology, there are some serious hidden gears. First, let's talk about the silent killer, compounding interest. You know how compound interest helps your investments grow? Well, with debt, it's the exact opposite. It's a financial vampire that feeds on itself. The interest gets added to your balance, and then you start paying interest on that new, bigger balance. It's a runaway train of debt. Second, your credit score. This is where the bank's data collection comes in. Every time you use your card, you're building a score that shows them how reliable you are. In the US, a score above 750 is like a financial superpower. It gets you better interest rates on loans, better deals on car insurance, you name it. Banks want you to use their cards to build this score, because a good score means you can borrow more money. Quick question, what's your current credit score, or what's a score you're aiming for? Let us know in the comments. So, how do you take back control? It's simple, but it takes discipline. Rule 1: Pay your balance in full, every single month. This is the golden rule. No exceptions. If you can't pay it off, don't buy it. This way, you use the card's convenience and build your credit without giving the bank any of your hard-earned money and interest. Rule 2: Keep your credit utilization low. This is a nerdy way of saying don't max out your card. Try to keep your spending below 30% of your total credit limit. It shows banks that you're not desperate for credit, which they love. Rule 3: Automate your payments. Seriously, do this now. Set up an automatic payment for your full balance every month. That way, you'll never miss a due date and get hit with a late fee. Rule 4: Get smart with rewards. If you follow Rule 1, then you can get a card that gives you something back: cashback, travel points, whatever. That's free money for you, not the bank. Which of these rules do you find the hardest to stick to, and why? I'm here to help, so let's discuss. Let's be real for a moment. It's okay to admit if you're in over your head. I get it. The traps are designed to be hard to spot. If you're finding yourself only making minimum payments, or using your card for groceries because you're short on cash, or even opening new cards to pay off old ones, it's a huge red flag. You're not alone, and it's not a sign of failure. There are people who can help you. Non-profit credit counseling services like the NFCC in the US or the National Debt Helpline in the UK offer free advice to help you get back on track. If you or someone you know has overcome credit card debt, what was your turning point? Your story could really help someone struggling right now. So, now you know the secrets. You're no longer in the dark. You can use credit cards as the incredible tool they're meant to be, building your credit, earning rewards, and enjoying convenience, all without paying a single penny in interest or fees. This is how you flip the script. This is how you win the game. This is how you get your financial freedom back. If this video was an eye-opener for you, give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see this, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos about taking control of your money. And hey, what's your biggest credit card aha moment after watching this? Let me know in the comments below.